Hey guys,
Welcome back. Today, I'm sharing an incredible AI trick bringing old photos to life and transforming black and white photos into vibrant videos. With just two tools, the Kling AI and 4D Dig file repair, you'll turn dusty albums into dynamic stories. Ready to unlock the magic? Let's dive in. The first step is to wake up the black and white photos. So visit Kling AI, click AI Videos, then click Frames, and then upload your photo. In the prompt box, describe the movement you want in as much detail as possible. In the settings, adjust the creativity and relevant sliders. The default value of 0.5 is a balanced choice. Hit Generate. In minutes, you'll get a nostalgic black and white clip. Don't forget to download it. Next, let's colorize and enhance our videos. Install 4D Dig file repair. Open its AI enhancer module. Choose the video colorizer model and import the black and white video created with Kling AI. Here, you can choose the colorize model, resolution. Click Colorize. You can preview the result, then click Export and you will get the colorized video. Two tools, endless possibilities. Whether it's family archives or retro art projects, this combo turns memories into masterpieces. If you liked this tutorial, please subscribe to us. See you next time.